Stir in last ingredient. This is a homemade vanilla wafer, homemade vanilla extract. We make from just vanilla beans and an inexpensive vodka. Let it steep for 15 to 30 days.
The brownie mixture is spread onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper.
It's meant to be very thin. It's not a thick cake-like brownie. It's a very dense, rich brownie. So we'll spread it less than half an inch thick in the pan. Once it's even into all the corners, you can see it's really not very thick at all, about a quarter of an inch thick. We'll stick it in the oven, 350 degrees for about half an hour. It's very important with this that you cook it until it's just done, because this brownie, as thin as it is, can get very hard and crisp very quickly. So we'll cook it until it's just done. Okay. For the brownie, we'll be cutting both a top and a bottom layer, and we'll be sandwiching white chocolate ice cream in the middle. So we'll let this be our top layer.
Ganache coats the top.
And it's easiest to do this with a nice heavy pour and let all the excess chocolate drip over the edge and make sure you have a nice, even coating.
Refrigerate to set up.
And for the bottom, we'll cut the same size round. But then, seeing as our filling for the moon pie is made from ice cream, we need some place for the melted ice cream to go as it's on its way to the table. So to stabilize the ice cream, we cut a little hole in the middle, create a chocolate donut.
Served with the brownie is Italian meringue, which is started by beating egg whites to medium peaks and adding sugar.
Sugar to form a common meringue. And once that gets to medium, we'll let it rest there. We have a sugar syrup here that is coming up to 250 degrees. What we have here is the 250 degree syrup. What you want to do is pour the syrup into the meringue in stages, stopping each time so that you don't fling the hot syrup on yourself or on the mixer. It also allows the egg white mixture to temper itself and slowly come up to a hot